Hey guys, it's Liz, and today we're going to be doing a 7-minute cardio blast. So I'm so excited you are here for today's workout. Make sure you do a quick 3 to 5 minute warm up before we get started, and let's go. Today's workout is particularly good if you are looking to lower your overall body fat percentage. So make sure you do 2 to 3 rounds of this or mix and match with the other 7-minute workouts in this series to get a full body workout today. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button so that I know. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. Today's request came from Peyton S, who has been loving these 7-minute workouts and has been seeing great results from them. So Peyton, this one's for you. Enjoy. So once you've got your warm up done, we are going to start with jumping jacks. Beautiful. So we're here for 1 minute. You can do whatever variation of your jack that you would like to do. You could do a step out, you could do squat jacks, really mix it up, whatever feels good for you. Good. Going all cardio today. Soft jumps, landing the balls of the feet. Good, keeping good care of your knees. If this bugs your knees, make a variation. You can do squat jacks or step outs, remember that. Don't ever force it, shouldn't hurt. Good, beautiful. Almost there. Keep going. Find your core, get your arms up, up. Good, 10 more seconds. Gorgeous, keep it moving. Awesome, so you're gonna get a 30-second break here and time. Shake your legs out, do what you need to do. You got 30 seconds. Then we're setting up for jump squats. Remember, this is all cardio today. So don't stop moving. Keep your head above your heart. Good, maybe a little step tap here, 15 seconds left. Whew. Okay, we got 4 moves to go. You got this, let your heart rate come down just a little bit so you can really push in this next round. Setting up for your jump squats. Okay, so feet are slightly wider than hip distance apart. Drop those hips back. Exhale as you hop. 1 minute. Good. The next one I'm scared for, but it's okay, we're in this together. Don't worry, soft landings. Push your hips back. Make sure your knees are behind your toes. Okay, so booty back. Good, halfway there. More than halfway. Keep breathing. Shoulders back. Come on, you got this. You can always do regular squats if you need to. Stay with me. Good. Remember, we're burning the belly fat today. Burning body fat all around. Good. Here we go. Whew. Keep breathing, quads are burning, booty burning. Yes. And time, again, don't stop moving. Remember I said I'm scared for this next one? It's true. I am scared, but I'm prepared to push through it. The next one is burpees. Okay, 1 minute of burpees. Catch your breath, 15 seconds. Then we're coming back up, 2 to go. Okay, so really push through this one. This is the hardest one. Whew. Arguably. Hang in there. Okay, 1 minute burpees. Okay, you can do your burpees here with a hop up, that's level 1, or all the way down, all the way up. Optional, jump at the top. Good. Recently got reintroduced to the good old burpee. I love these. I love these. So good. Good. Almost done. Total body. Push. Breathe. Man. Whew. 1 more. Come on. Good. Step tap. 2 more moves. And then you're done. You can repeat. You take a break. Or you can move on to a different workout. Okay, next move, tire hops. You're gonna start on one side. Catch your breath. Pull your pants up. And get ready. We're gonna be pretending there's a big tire in the middle. Okay, you're gonna go back and forth. Ready? Get your knees up. 'Shouldn't be able to talk. If you can talk, you're not working hard enough. Push it. Yes, you got it. Knees up. Almost there. In and out. In and out. Yeah. There you go. Ten more seconds. Whew. Cardio City, baby. How you burn it up? Nice. And a bonus. So tap. Last one. And you're done. Bring the heart rate down. Next one, skiers. Okay. 4 skiers. Similar. We're gonna be going across, but jumping both legs at a time. If you need to step tap in this one, feel free. Otherwise, I'm gonna start this way. I'm gonna get down low, knees together. Hop, arms back. Like you're going down the slope. Whew. I should edit in some graphics here. Make you see some snow. Bam. Gorgeous. Jump over, jump over, lateral up. Good, keep going. Use your arms, use your core, total body, burn it. Soft landings, control. Almost there. Come on. Boom. And time. Good. Do not stop moving. Keep the step tap going. Catch your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Bring it to one side. We're gonna grapevine across, cross, and tap. What we're doing here is bring your heart rate back down to a safe level so you can move on and do a quick little stretch. If you want, you can pause it here and go back through 2 or 3 more rounds of that for a full blast workout. Or, again, check out the other videos in the 7-minute series. They are designed so that you can mix and match them if you want to. So say you want to do a little cardio today, a little arms, little abs. That's what that whole series is for. Check it out over on our channel. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like that. Also, always open to suggestions. Tell me in the comments box below what you want to see. Okay, good. Let's go into our stretch. For those of you who are done with your workout for today, big inhale up. Good, and then exhale, lean forward, keeping your head above your heart. Push your hips back. Good. Good, now take your arms back behind you, make a fist. Clasp the hands, straighten the arms, heel toe your feet out. Okay, into a straddle. And in your straddle, we're gonna shift over to one side. Weights in your heel, outer edge of this bent leg foot. Good, back is flat, other side. Little inner thigh stretch here. Still keeping your head above your heart. Gorgeous, coming back to center. Go ahead and take your feet, toes pointing out. Drop your hips down, take one shoulder down and look up. Good, and then switch. Little spinal twist. Good for your core, good for your spine health. Good, come back to center. Heel toe your feet back in, hands on your shins. Lift your kneecaps up. Bend your knees and slowly round all the way up. Good, from here we'll do a quad stretch. If you need to use a chair or balance, go ahead. Ain't no shame in the game, you know what I mean? Keep your knees together. Hips pressing forward, heel pulling back. Good. Keeping your tailbone in your body, so descending down toward the floor. Common mistake here in this movement is to push your butt out and arch your lower back. You want to tuck the tailbone, knees together, and then press the hips forward by squeezing your glutes. The other side. Good, again, working on balance here if that's where you're at. Totally cool. Stretching out those quads, those jump squats. We're killer. Killer. Fire flame. Waka flocka. No, not correct. Okay, we got the quads, the fronts of the legs. Let's get the backs of the legs. Standing on one side, we're gonna find our figure 4 standing stretch. Again, if you need to use a chair here, feel free. Otherwise, you're gonna keep your foot flexed and then slowly lower down into your squat. You should feel this in the outer thigh and glute of this bent top leg. If you don't feel it, you can lower down a little bit more. If you really need assistance, you can actually do this seated. So you would actually sit down on whatever chair, bench, whatever you have with you. And you just cross your leg and lean forward, right? Good, coming out of that was stable control. Switch, find your balance, cross the leg, and slowly lower down. Oh man, let's take a moment here to really find gratitude for your body and the things that it does for you all day long. And you, gratitude for yourself for showing up today and clicking on this video and watching this and getting it done. So good, so good. Coming back up. Good, we'll do one side body stretch, so big inhale up. Feet wider than your hips. We're gonna reach up and across. Take the fingers up, spin your pinky in toward your midline, look up. Good, inhale back to center, other side. Spin the pinky in toward your midline, lower the shoulder down, and look up. Feel it in your ribs, side body. It's gorgeous, I tell ya. Inhale up, palms forward, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, pull back and down. Thank you so much for joining me for today's cardio blast workout. Crushing your workouts. I'm so proud of you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Hoo-wee, I am a sweaty mess. That's how you know this workout is